Hello, good afternoon students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. So this is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry for you. So hi Rudransh, Radhe Radhe, how are you doing? Wonderful, we have a NEET organic mock test. It is the second mock test for the day. So welcome to NEET Most Expected Thousands Questions from series. So we are going to finish this series at this weekend. Hi Sonu Chinni. So in this series we completed all the topics with important NEET level questions, and we are conducting kind of mock test and important questions. And right, everybody take a pen and paper and solve along with us. Manzoor Ali, Aman Gupta, hello, good afternoon Sonu, Rudransh, wonderful. Now let's see. So every day we have a word of the day, crack your NEET examination. Why we are doing this much hard work for you guys? It is important to crack NEET examination to get into the premium medical colleges. For that, everybody should have a strong determination, crack NEET examination. For that, study sincerely and attend our sessions from Infinity Learn, and please like the session and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So without late, let us start the class. And before going for this class, a bit of promotion. And in the NEET channel, you just see in the Google Play Store on the Android mobiles, you are going to see Infinity Learn app, and you can download the app and you can access live classes, mock test, create your own test, and 24/7 doubt resolution sessions. And also, whenever you are preparing for an examination, it is hi Priscilla, hi. And whenever you are preparing for an examination, it is important to know where exactly you stand, what is your improvement areas, and what is your strong area, where you have to improvise. For that, a specially designed assessment platform is required. For that, Infinity Learn is offering NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, which costs around 5,999. But you see the salient features, 27 AITS examination, उसमें आपको मिलेगा 13 unit test, 4 part test and 10 grand test based on NEET pattern, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and also detailed solutions and performance reports for each and every test, and your test is going to be benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students. And it was 5,999. When you apply YouTube 50 coupon code, you are going to get a special discount just for 2,999. While it in the description box, and the link is available in the chat box and pinned messages. You just click it and you can enjoy the seamless preparation for NEET examination. Fine. Hi Priscilla, Aman Gupta, Manzoor Ali and Sonu and Rudransh. So promotion is over. Shall we start the question number 1? So this is your question number 1. Who is going to give the answer for this? So I started with assertion reasoning type question. Why? Because in the NEET examination, so objective type, assertion reasoning and statement based questions are more important, so that you please follow this method, and I want you to give the answer. Use the chat box and provide your answer in the chat box so that I can give you the correct answer for this and explain the simple trick as well. So assertion is saying this benzyl bromide react with magnesium and ether, it is going to get Grignard reagent. This reaction, the assertion is saying, is not possible, and this PHCH2Br undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction with PHCH2 MgBr to produce this. So what is going to be the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Yes, of course, this is correct. Why? Because let us say PHCH2Br, benzyl bromide, whenever it is treated with magnesium in ether, let us say tetrahydrofuran is in ether, you will be getting You know, this is a Grignard reagent, a very, very, very good nucleophile. Rajaselvi, Mahalingam, and it is going to give further one more molecule of this in the nucleophilic substitution reaction, because the benzyl halides are super reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. As a result of this, you are going to get the product like this. So yes, it is true, therefore it is not stable actually. So A is true and R is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So this particular concept is very important. It is a twisty concept, everybody should understand this. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you please ask about this. So can I go with one more question? Can I go with one more question, children? Rajaselvi, Mahalingam, come on. And one more dipole moment of CH3Cl is greater than CH3F. Fluorine has less electron affinity than chlorine. So what is the best answer for this? What is the best answer for this? I want you guys to give the answer. Good afternoon, Maunika. Good afternoon. Abhishek Raj, good afternoon. You want to say B? Yes, both are true. Both are true. Answer is 3. Assertion is true and reason is false. Fluorine has a less electron affinity than chlorine. Electronegativity. It is, yes. Fine. Chlorine has more electron affinity than fluorine. It is true. And this is true, and this is true, and this is not the correct explanation of this, right? Good afternoon, Abhishek. Your answer is welcome. Do more, Priscilla. Aman Gupta expecting answer from you. Manzoor Ali. Next. So CH3Cl whose dipole moment is 1.94 and CH3F it is going to be 1.82 dpi. Because the charge separation is larger in CH3Cl compared to the CH3F. This is due to greater CCl bond length. Okay. Now the appropriate reason is also given. Everybody try to understand the reason. Next, list 1 reaction is given, list 2 the products are given. You just try to give the answer. Multiple options, multiple matching over here, multiple matching over here. You want me to explain this? Maunika, Rajaselvi, Mahalingam. So I am using everybody's name, Sonu and Aman Gupta, Manzoor. Right. You want to say yeah, perfect. Correct. So the answer is going to be A. So how it is going to be A? So this is HBr. Okay. It is given as a P. Can give you the probable products like this. HBr, Br, and you are going to get a carbocation. Carbocation is going to rearrange and gives rise the product. So like this, and it also gives rise PQS. So once the carbocation is given its product like this, so PQS is the product. When you say B, HBr in the presence of HNU, it is going to undergo allylic substitution. So this is an allylic position. It is going to give the product like this. Fine. Abhishek Raj, yeah, perfect. And Rudransh, HBr peroxide is going to give you anti-Markovnikov addition, and it is going to be at NBS. and when you go for NBS, it is going to give you allylic bromination. Fine. So these are the various answers. So you need to have a total command on how the reaction is taking place. Here we have seen carbocation formation. Whenever carbocation is formed, it's all possible reactions with rearrangement you have to say. Hi Rudransh, your answer is perfect and I appreciate it. Let us see here one more question. Yes, of course. So this Tildent reagent. What is Tildent reagent? Tildent reagent is NOCl. So NOCl Indu is going to give you CH2Cl over here. So let me give you the answer for this question. CH2 NH2, whenever it is treated with NOCl, and it gives you CH2Cl. Now you can proceed with that. Okay, so it is given aqueous KOH. It is given with aqueous KOH. So what happened? CH2OH. Now in the presence of H plus and heat, okay, you just give a H plus and you heat it, you are going to get a carbocation. This carbocation is going to rearrange to give rise this carbocation ring a expansion. As a result of this, you are going to get an alkene. Cyclopentane is the answer. Got it? Indu, good afternoon. Any doubt? So my answer for this question is going to be A. So expecting doubts from you, my dear children. You got it. Wonderful. Rudransh. So let us proceed with one more question. Got it, everybody? Abhishek Raj? Yes. The correct order of acid catalyzed dehydration to produce alkene in the following compounds will be. Every question I have a trick. Rate of dehydration is directly proportional to stability of alkene. When dehydration takes place, this is going to give you an alkene like this, an alkene, right? It is an alkene. So this alkene is stabilized by the resonance and aromaticity, and it is going to get C. Now it is, if it is broken now, it is going to give you an aromatic compound like this. Now this is going to give you CH, it is wrongly printed, it is going to give you CH2, CH, CH double bond CH and CH double bond C. Conjugation is there, extended conjugation is there. This structure is not clearly given, because while the file is converted, it is not. D, it is more stable than it is conjugation system. Rudransh, yeah, it is going to be conjugated system, and this is not seen, okay, and this is the least stable because it misses the aromaticity, right? Now let's see, consider the following reduction, the product. Consider the following reduction, the product. When this is treated, look at this, double bond O, D, you are going to get, there is no change in the stereochemistry over here, and you can have and these two are going to be enantiomeric, and it is going to be optically active. This is going to be optically active, and it is an optically active compound, and it is going to get a diastereomeric compound. Okay, so it is supposed to be optically active diastereomeric. Okay, now let us see what could be the product. The oxidation can be performed by. So we already completed various types of oxidizing reagents and reducing reagents. Use that. Sorry. Various types of oxidizing reagents and reducing reagents, my dear children. When you use hot KMnO4, no, it is going to be oxidized like anything, aluminum tertiary bit oxide also, and you want to see the Jones reagent. Okay, so you can say the correct answer for this question is going to be A, aluminum tertiary bit oxide, and it is going to be allylic alcohol. Okay, when it is going to with okay, you guys are trapped here. Monica, I want to give you why you are being trapped. Darsho, Krishna, Jones reagent is at 0 degree centigrade mild oxidizing agent. While at 25 degrees centigrade onwards, it is a strong oxidizing agent. You are going to break the carbon to carbon double bond. Mind it, it's very, very important. You are going to break the double bond over here. Understand? Clear? Next, what is the order of reactivity of the following compound with Grignard reagent? What is the following order? Monica? Darsho? Krishna, Rudransh, Abhishek. So I want you guys to participate in the discussion. Then only this organic chemistry mock test discussion will happen. Otherwise, what happens, the class goes like this. It is going to be radio class. So I want you to be participate in the class so that it gives you a lot of impact, right? Next, answer my question. Yes, of course, it is the application of general organic chemistry. Dani. It is related to aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid chapter, grade 12. So if you can't answer this question, you don't worry. But when you give the answers, this mock test means total organic chemistry is included in that. Just who completed 11th standard may not be answering each and every question, right? Abhishek Raj, come on, you want to say? Whenever carbon to carbon double bond is there, so Grignard reagent is a nucleophile or MgX. It is a nucleophile. So nucleophile is going to attack over here. It is a nucleophilic addition reaction. So what happens? It all depends upon the steric hindrance over here. This is more sterically hindered, less penetration takes place. So let's see the further what a reaction can be. Maunika, right? So I just want to say here, reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction. Rate of nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to positive charge on carbonyl carbon. And inversely proportional to steric. Now when you talk about this is a lot of steric. So lot of steric, least reactive. So methyl group and methyl groups. So you can't penetrate the nucleophile in that. Okay. Now CH3 CHO, aldehydes are more reactive than ketone. Here you are going to have steric. So I just want to say 2 is more reactive than 3 is more reactive than 1 is ultra low reactive, so that it is going to be answer 2, 3, 1. D is the answer. Based on this, Abhishek Raj said is correct, and based on this, it is there in the NCERT textbook as well. It is very good question, and quite sometimes it is been asked in various competitive examinations, right? Should go with NCERT as well as the complete J preparation. Of course, this is a NEET channel. Organic chemistry 50%, more than 60% is related to this, so that you can study this. And for JE, different channel is there. There you can subscribe it, so that you will be getting all updates. Okay, anyways, so those preparing for NEET examination and focus with the organic chemistry over here. And if A is reacted with CH3 B is formed. If B is acetone, then what could be the A? Array. Answer is visible. Okay, it is ethyl acetate. You know, I'll give you. This is ethyl acetate, C2. Right, so it is going to be next. Abhishek, give the answer. Identify the correct esterification reaction. Here, oxygen star is given, mean to say it is a O18 isotope. It is going to be O18 isotope. This is a carboxylic group and it is an alcohol and it is esterified. Carboxylic group, an alcohol, it is an esterified. And carboxylic group, an alcohol, it is an esterified. During esterification, my dear children, or C double bond O, OH plus R dash OH. It is important to know the oxygen of the alcohol is retained in the ester functional group. So what happened here? RC double bond O, oxygen and R dash. I wanted to say if this is labeled as a star, it should come as a star. Monica, say. So the answer is going to be B. Oxygen of the alcohol is retained in the ester functional group. That is the logic in this. Fine, Monica. Yes, it is. Now, let us see one more question, dear children. Esterification mechanism. Yeah, I prepared esterification mechanism. You can see this is what is called Fischer esterification. Carboxylic acid is first protonated. So, you are going to get a protonated carboxylic acid. So, in this Fischer esterification, the pi bond is lost. So, that alcohol is going to attack as a nucleophile. So, alcohol is going to attack as a nucleophile. So, nucleophilic attack takes place and this proton is lost and it is going to give you an ester group by loss of proton. You are going to see the oxygen of the alcohol is retained in the ester. This is a super awesome mechanism. This is what is called Fischer esterification. Fischer esterification. Fischer esterification. Fine. Fine. So, what could be the answer for this? Super question, no? Take a pen and paper. Arjun Nagesh. VK science channel, why it is called as nucleophilic acyl substitution? Why? Because the lone pair of the electron is attack on the carbonyl group. Hope you understand. Darshu, you want to say B? So, any question related to the current context will be definitely answered. Lovely, lovely gathering. Students, I want to see you at the highest. You want to say D? OH, whenever it is treated with the excess of HA, you are going to see the alkene, and this alkene is going to react with Hu plus Hi, so that you are going to see the formation of iodine, and it is treated with zinc, you are going to get Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. So my answer for this question is going to be B. Fine. Krishna. This is so tricky. This is so. Hi Suresh. Suresh Kumar is one of the student. He is taking my classes right from beginning from this YouTube channel, and he completely relies on this YouTube channel, and he is far better when he as compared to when he started the class. Suresh, how about your confidence levels? Okay, next question. Benzyl ethyl ether on reaction with dilute cold HF produces benzyl iodide. This reaction occurs by SN2. Benzyl ethyl ether. So this is your benzyl, and this is ethyl. And between these two, it is an ether, benzyl ethyl ether. Right? Now, when it is treated with HI, it is going to first participate in the protonation. Okay, let us participate in the protonation. So, whenever it is participate in the protonation, and it is going to give you a carbocation. And it gives you C2H5OH and benzyl carbocation. This benzyl carbocation is the cation where it is going to participate in SN1 reaction, because bare carbocation is formed. CH2I is formed. So this is going to be SN1 but not SN2. So assertion is true and reason is false. Answer C is the correct answer. Any doubt, bachcho? Any doubt? Krishna, Maunika, Abhishek, Raj, Darshu. If you have any doubts, you just present so that I'll understand. Maunika, because of the resonance, benzyl carbocation is more stable. Suresh Kumar, correct? So let's see. The solubility of betyl alcohol follows the order: betyl alcohol, secondary betyl alcohol, tertiary betyl alcohol. So Solubility all depends. As branching increases, surface area decreases, solubility increases. Yes, of course, the reason is correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Fine. Arjuna, guess it's correct. It's correct. Perfect. Monica, it's correct. That's good. So everybody is rocking like anything. Rocking, rocking. Next question for you. NaBH4, B, blue color in Victor Mayer test, H plus no reaction. The compound A is supposed to be. So, VGA science channel, this is one more tricky question for you guys. One more tricky question for you guys. We do it. Take a minute. Take a minute, everybody. Arjun Nagesh. Now let me do it. Let me do it. So the answer for this question, I would say it is as C. Why it is C? When this is A, when it is treated with NaBH4, in the presence of ether, so it is going to reduce carbonyl group into alcohol. Okay, this is being a secondary alcohol on Victor Mayer test. Victor Mayer test. There is a trick in the Victor Mayer test. Use R, B, C. Red, blue and colorless. So it is said that red and it is a blue and it is a colorless. Red mean to say it's a primary alcohol, blue mean to say secondary alcohol, colorless tertiary alcohol. So it is going to give a blue color which indicates it's a secondary alcohol. So of course it is a secondary alcohol, it is correct. When you go for H plus, acid is going to give you dehydrated product. So when dehydration takes place, the alkene that is formed is going to be like this. And bridge-headed carbon cannot have a double bond here. So this reaction is not possible. There is no reaction. So there is no reaction. Why there is no reaction? There is a rule called Brett's rule. According to Brett's rule, bridge-headed carbon can never be an sp2 hybridized. Maunica, secondary alcohol gives blue color, primary alcohol gives red color, tertiary alcohol gives colorless. Why B is not correct? Why B is not correct? रिएक्शन होगा. Maunika, reaction होगा. Got it? Clear? So at least thanks for asking. Now my answer for this question is going to be, everybody say it is C. Right? It's an awesome question. It's an awesome question. Next. So what could be the answer for this question? Every chemical reaction we are discussing, it is really related to NCERT textbook. Take a minute and solve it. Take a minute and solve it. Arjun, you want to say B? Okay. Wolf Kishner, Wolf Kishner Arjun. So, what do you say the answer is B? Is that fine? Maunika? Yeah, let's see if it is. Fine. Okay. So, when you go for the Wolff-Kishner reduction, this is a carbonyl group and this is also a carbonyl group. Both are reduced. When both are reduced, now what happens? CH3 CH2 and CH3. फाइन. तो सिर्फ ये रिड्यूस करना है, ये रिड्यूस नहीं करना है. प्रोटेक्ट कर लो. प्रोटेक्शन के लिए आप इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल इस्तेमाल करो. सो इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल. सो व्हाट इज इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल? CH2OH and CH2OH and C double bond OH. Now what happens? This is going to form a group protected वाले. Now, aldehyde has to be protected by acetal formation. Yes, of course. No. Short diagram you have to maintain. Now, let us go for Wolff-Kishner reduction. So, going to get CH2, CH2, O and CH. And it is reduced here to give CH2, CH3 and it is hydrolyzed. When you hydrolyze it, you are going to break this. Now the product is going to be C double bond O CH3 CH2. Clear? Arjun, right? That's good. My answer for this is going to be yes, A. This is ethylene glycol. Darshan? Any doubt? Next, one more question. The reaction in which hydrate shift does not occur. The reaction in which hydrate shift does not occur. So, I am very happy to see students are actively participating in this. Let's see. Now there is a hydrogen over here that is shifted from here to gives rise a carbocation. Yeah, we looks like not some Cannizzaro reaction. Oh, just that is a Cannizzaro reaction. Yes, I appreciate you. So hydrate shift is there, and here it is a Cannizzaro reaction. In this Cannizzaro reaction, rate determining step is hydrate shift. That's the reason why this is also. And when you talk about this now, when you add H plus, you are going to get a carbocation here, and this carbocation has methyl shift. Right? Then a loss of proton can be seen. So, here hydrate shift is seen, here hydrate shift is seen, here hydrate shift is not seen. The reaction in which hydrate shift does not, my answer is going to be C. Darshan? Darshan, fine? That's good, that's good. Now, you should have a tremendous command on the mechanism kind of reaction approaches, and let us talk here one more question. Arrange the following 4 compounds in the order of rate of addition of NaCN. So that is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Darshu, Maunika, Abhishek Raj, answer. I want to give you a trick. Okay, what is that? Rate of nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to positive charge on carbonyl carbon. So positive charge, I mean to say, is directly proportional negative mesomeric effect, is directly proportional negative inductive effect, inversely proportional to positive mesomeric effect and positive inductive effect. When you talk, there is no effect. Para position minus I and minus M, and it is going to be a sirf minus I effect, because meta position only inductive effect works, and this is going to be positive mesomeric effect, negative inductive effect. You have to consider this. So you are going to say 2 is more reactive than 3 is more reactive than 1 is more reactive than 4. Okay. So the correct answer from here, say official darshan, unofficial darshan. Darshu, hope you understand, clear. I can guarantee you this model of questions are very important. Write down the trick. Next question. Are cyclopentane is treated with cold KMnO4 followed by lead tetraacetate. So it is a little more involved question. Cyclopentane. So it is cold KMnO4 Bayer's reagent. It is going to give you a diol. Definitely. Previous one, huh? This one, you want me to say this one? So whenever this is reacted with NaCN, Na plus and Cl minus, is nucleophile has to be attacked. So this is a carbonyl carbon. So when this carbonyl carbon is there, it is on the benzaldehyde. All are benzaldehydes. Wherever negative mesomeric effect is there, it is going to be more reactive. So para nitrobenzaldehyde, it is negative mesomeric effect is there, so it is more reactive. And the methoxy group is there. Para position mesomeric effect works, but at a meta position resonance mesomeric effect do not works, rather it behaves as just minus I effect. So this one makes a super example for order of reactivity of nucleophilic addition reaction, and that is going to be a super awesome question for boards as well as any kind of examination. Especially I am expecting this type of questions for the 2025 NEET examination. Okay, Spencer, fine. Yeah. So moving ahead, here the answer is going to be D. Okay, so how the answer is going to be D? Let us cyclopentene. This is your cyclopentene. Is treated with cold KMnO4 alkaline, so that you are going to see the formation of diol. Okay, so that it is followed by lead tetraacetate. So PbAc4. So it is going to give you oxidation just like HiO4. It will be given to you CHO, and it is going to be CHO. and it undergoes reaction with barium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide, it is written as barium hydroxide. Okay, and the product obtained when you treat with barium hydroxide, it undergo aldol condensation reaction. As a result of this is going to be attacked here. Okay, so it would give you CHO. Got it? My answer is going to be D. A nitro group is not acidic. Nitro group makes it, the carboxylic groups or the phenolic groups are more acidic. Nitro group is not acidic. It's very important reaction. Very important reaction, my dear students. Yes, Suresh. So, which will not exhibit Cannizzaro reaction? If alpha hydrogen is there, it undergo aldol condensation, right? If alpha hydrogen is absent, it undergo Cannizzaro. So, here there is no alpha hydrogen. Here also no alpha hydrogen. Here is also no alpha hydrogen. So, all can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. All can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Got it? Any doubt? Now, what is wrong about Cannizzaro reaction? What is wrong about Cannizzaro reaction? So, dianion can form an intermediate, yes, of course. It follows third as well as fourth order reaction, yes, of course. Low concentrated base and high concentrated base. It requires concentration base and hydrate transfer occurs in it, yes. Hydrate transfer is the rate determining step, and attack of base is the rate determining step, wrong. So, rate determining step is hydride shift. So, this is wrong. Answer is going to be D. Answer is going to be D. Fine. Okay. Consider the following compound. How many chiral carbons are present in the compound after heating? After heating. What is the actual compound that can be produced? So, this is the compound that can be formed on heating. You can see, dear children, this is alpha carbon and this is a beta carbon. So, beta Carbonyl carboxylic acid is decarboxylated. And two carboxylic groups are there. One is going to be removed as carbon dioxide. So we are going to see 2CO2 is outrightly eliminated. So the product that is going to be formed is COOH, CH2 and CH2 thrice and C double bond O NH, okay, and decarboxylated and ketone group, and it is going to be sulfur. COOH, okay. So I could get, this is your chiral carbon, this is your chiral carbon, this is your chiral carbon, and this is your chiral carbon. So I got C is the correct answer, 4. C is the correct answer. Got it? Clear? So this is such a tricky question everybody enjoyed in this class. Yes, not D, it is going to be C. So my dear children, we are done for today's class, and we will discuss with more stuff in tomorrow's class, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. By this weekend we are going to launch a new program, so that is surprise to you. So stay tuned and please like our session and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinite Learn YouTube channel. So you are going to get a surprise when you subscribe this, and talk about this in the Telegram channel also, it is there. So stay tuned. And Monica, bye. Suresh Kumar, bye. Spencer's, Abhishek Raj, bye. Okay, all the best. We are done for today. Thank you very much, and study well and develop confidence by Infinity Learn. Thank you. Bye bye students. Monica, bye.